your students? So screen is shared.
No, sir. No.
Now screen is shared.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
As you know that CBSE has reduced the syllabus. CBSE has reduced the syllabus in first term as well as in second term. Syllabus in first term. So write in chapter number 1. Chapter number 1 is, what is your chapter number 1? Ankit Kumar Mishra. Real number. Real number is your chapter number 1. In chapter number 1, CBSE has reduced your syllabus. What is reduced by CBSE? As you know that?
Yes, sir. Exercise 1.1 and exercise 1.3.
Yes. Students, as you know that your first term examination will be held on MCQ types. MCQ types mean direct question from MCQ and value based questions. It means in MCQ types there will be two type question or not? MCQ में two type के question हो सकते हैं, हो सकते हैं. MCQ
No,
में
sir.
two type
No,
के
sir.
question नहीं होंगे. It means they will check your concept knowledge, basic knowledge of the chapter. ठीक है, चैप्टर की बेसिक नॉलेज आपको कितनी है, चैप्टर की बेसिक कंसेप्ट नॉलेज आपको कितनी है, इसीलिए उन्होंने एक्सरसाइज 1.3 को रिड्यूस किया है. क्योंकि एक्सरसाइज 1.3 में वी हैव टू प्रूव ओनली टू प्रूव दैट. तो एमसीक्यू में टू प्रूव दैट ये क्वेश्चन कहाँ से सॉल्व करेंगे, ठीक है ना, इसीलिए उन्होंने रिड्यूस किया उनके पास. तो फ्रॉम चैप्टर नंबर 1 exercise 1.1 as well as exercise 1.3 is related.
So complete exercise is related.
Yeah. Check your topic. They have mentioned the topic fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Euclid division lemma and Euclid division algorithm is not mentioned anywhere. After that, fundamental theorem of arithmetic exercise 1.2 is coming. After that, decimal expansion, that is terminating, non-terminating, repeating. It means exercise 1.4 is coming. ये deleted है, deleted.
Yes.
Deleted. 1.3 you should delete. And coming, what is coming? Exercise 1.1, 2 and 1.4 in syllabus. No doubt?
No.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Polynomials. In polynomial, what is written? In polynomial, it is written as zeros of polynomial relationship between zeros and coefficient of quadratic polynomial only. Only. Which exercise? Please tell me. Zeros of a polynomial relationship between zeros and coefficient of a quadratic polynomial only. It means exercise 2.1 and 2.2 is coming. Exercise division algorithm. Division algorithm exercise deleted in 2.3 as well as 2.4 deleted.
2.4.
2.4 based on cubic polynomial, only quadratic polynomial is coming. Okay, students. Now in
Yes.
chapter number 3, pair of linear equation in two variables. Pair of linear equation in two variable and graphical method of their solution, consistency, inconsistency. Okay, algebraical condition for number of solution of a pair of linear equation in two variable algebraically by substitution and elimination. Simple situation problem, simple problem on equation reducible to their linear equation. It means cross multiplication method related. Chapter number 3, cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method related. Cross multiplication method related. Cross multiplication method related. Yes.
Sir, it can be done, but it has a lot of limits.
Complete, not completely, only cross multiplication method related. Question number first. Question number first. And question depends by cross multiplication method related. They will not ask by cross multiplication method. Any doubt, any problems? It means in first term chapter number 1, chapter number 2, chapter number 3 is coming. Next your chapter is coordinate geometry, chapter number 7. Chapter number 7, coordinate geometry. In chapter number 7, exercise 7.3 deleted, area of triangles. Distance formula 7.1 and 7.2 is coming. Distance formula is coming and section formula internally. Externally section formula in 11th class. Internally in 10th class. Internally division in 10th class. 7.1 depends on distance formula and 7.2 depends on section formula. They are coming. Area of triangle from exercise 7.3. Area of triangle. Last year CBSE also deleted. This year is also deleted. Area of triangles deleted. Area of triangle deleted. Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir.
Are you noting these points?
Yes, sir.
Okay, students.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In chapter number 6, what is the name of chapter number 6? Triangle.
Fine, sir.
Chapter number 6, triangle. Triangle. In triangle, prove. Prove means जहाँ प्रूव लिखा हुआ है वहाँ हमें इसको प्रूव करना है. जहाँ मोटिवेट लिखा हुआ है, it means they are only for experimental theorems. You can do in your activity file. Prove. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle is intersect the other two sides in a distinct point, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. BPT. BPT is coming. BPT is coming. यह आ रही है. Deleted नहीं है. Motivate. If a line divides the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, the line is parallel to the other side. Converse of BPT deleted. Deleted. Converse of BPT. Converse of BPT. Okay. Converse of BPT deleted.
Yes, sir.
Your next point is motivation theorem. Motivation theorem and proof. In a right triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of square of other two sides. It means Pythagoras theorem is coming. Pythagoras theorem. theorem is coming, we will prove it. When I will start this chapter, I will prove the BPT as well as Pythagoras theorem. Converse of BPT is not coming. Converse of BPT is not coming. Area of similar triangles theorem proof. Area of similar triangles. Similar triangle theorems. Proof is not coming. Proof area of similar triangles theorem. Proof is not coming.
Question will come, sir.
Question will come, but proof is not coming. And next is your first year this, second this, and third one is converse of Pythagoras theorem. Converse of Pythagoras theorem is also.
Sir, by putting the questions based on area of similar triangle theorem, we need to write anything from theorem, na?
You have to require the concept of this theorem. After using these concepts, you will solve the questions. I will tell you how can we use these theorems to solve the question. I will tell you. If they will be required, I will prove it. No problems.
Okay.
Next it means chapter number 1, 2, 3, chapter number 7, chapter number 6 are coming in first term. Next is your chapter number 8.
8.
Chapter number 8. Student, have you noted these points?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Your next topic will be your introduction to trigonometry. Chapter number 8. Introduction to trigonometry. Introduction to trigonometry. Student, it is written in the trigonometric ratios of an acute angle of a right triangles. Acute angle and right triangles. Proof of their existence. Well defined values of trigonometric ratios 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. Relationship between the ratios. Relationship between the ratios, exercise 8.1 is coming. Values of trigonometric ratios 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. 0 degree is not coming. 90 degree is not coming. Ratio, trigonometric ratios of acute angle of a right angle triangles. Right angle triangle 90 degrees coming. Relationship and trigonometric identities, sin square a plus cos square a. It means trigonometric identity secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta is not coming.
Exercise 8.4, sir.
Yes, in exercise 8.4. And next is your cosecant square theta, that is 1 plus cos square theta is not coming.
Sir, but trigonometric identities, na?
trigonometric identity है। आपके पास जो आ रही है वो आ रही है sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This identity is coming. ये आ रही है आपके पास। Now next topic is area related to circles. In area related to circles, अगर यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या होता है, एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर निकालने का फार्मूला होता है थीटा अपॉन में 360 इंटू पाई आर स्क्वायर। तो जो एंगल आपके पास दे रखे हैं यहाँ पे 30 डिग्री, यहाँ पे जो एंगल दे रखे हैं 60 डिग्री, 90 डिग्री, दीज आर कम, ये आ रहे हैं आपके पास। अगर 120 डिग्री एंगल दे देते हैं तो वो नहीं आ रहा है। एक क्वेश्चन है आपके पास एनसीईआरटी में जिसमें एंगल जो है ये एंगल थीटा अगर 120 डिग्री दे रखा है तो वो नहीं आ रहा हिस्सा, डिलीटेड है ये, डिलीटेड। लास्ट ईयर में डिलीटेड था, हिस्सा डिलीट कर रखा है। प्रोबेबिलिटी में क्या है, नो रिलेशन है,
Please explain the
यस
Please explain this again 191.
विच टॉपिक, विच टॉपिक?
Which one currently this one? After the IDPs.
Diabetes. Swasti, in chapter number 12, there is a formula to find the area of sector. Area of sector we can find out by formula using theta by 360 into pi r square. And by using this formula, we have to require the angle. That is 60 degree, 90 degree, and 45 degree is also not given. 45 degree is also not given. 45 degree, 30 degree is also not given. So these are deleted. ये delete है आपके पास, ठीक है ना? क्योंकि जब तक हम यहाँ पे एंगल की वैल्यू पुट नहीं करेंगे, एंगल पुट नहीं करेंगे तो सॉल्व नहीं हो पाएगा। तो यहाँ पे CBSE ने फ्रॉम दिस ईयर 120 डिग्री, 30 डिग्री, 45 डिग्री angles related, and they will ask question from only on 60 degree and 90 degree. 60 डिग्री और 90 डिग्री पे क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, ठीक है? यस, एनी डाउट? नेक्स्ट योर
chapter number 8.
चैप्टर नंबर 12।
12, okay.
चैप्टर नंबर 12 है, ये है एरिया रिलेटेड टू सर्कल, एरिया रिलेटेड टू सर्कल्स। सर्कल चैप्टर है, एरिया रिलेटेड टू सर्कल्स, उसमें से चैप्टर नंबर 12। अब चैप्टर नंबर नेक्स्ट आ रहा है आपका चैप्टर नंबर 15। चैप्टर नंबर 15 जो है वो है प्रोबेबिलिटी, नो रिलेशन फ्रॉम दैट।
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, no relation from this. 1 second. No relation from this set. Yes, Pragati.
Sir, ratio factor, trigonometric ratio of complementary angle is also coming.
Trigonometric ratio is coming. Complementary angles. Complementary angle 90 sine of 90 minus theta cos theta not written. Trigonometric ratios of the acute angle of right angles, proof of their existence, well defined value of. It means trigonometric ratios is also deleted. Trigonometric is coming, but complementary angles is deleted. Complementary angles. Question from complementary angles deleted.
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay. Last year CBSE also CBSE reduced the syllabus, that is your complementary angles. Was deleted by CBSE last year. Now there is no benefit of discussion of second term syllabus. After completion, we will discuss the syllabus.
Sir, in chapter 15, nothing is deleted.
No chapter deleted. Only topic deleted. Topics are deleted. No chapter deletion.
Sir, you are asking that chapter 15,
Chapter
no topic related.
Yes.
more topic deleted.
These topic deleted. I have discussed with you. These topic deleted.
Sir, in chapter number 15, she is asking any topic means in chapter 15 only.
Chapter number 15. हाँ, ये chapter number 15 को deletion, वो delete नहीं हुआ. ठीक है? Chapter number 15 में deletion नहीं है, वो deletion. Okay? अब मेरे को बताइए फर्स्ट टर्म में चैप्टर कौन से आ रहे हैं आपको? In first term, which chapter are coming?
chapter
Sir,
1, 2,
Chapter 1, 2, 3, 7, 6, 8,
2, 3, 6, 7, 8,
8, sir.
Listen students, your algebra chapter, in written algebra is coming of 10 marks and geometry is coming of 9 marks. We will discuss later on what which chapter these are. Geometry is coming of
It's units, no?
unit name है. I will discuss later on. I will tell you which chapter in algebra, which chapter in geometry, and in your trigonometry. Trigonometry is coming from 7 marks. Trigonometry. Seven marks. Yes. Mensuration. एक सेकंड बेटा, एक सेकंड. Mensuration is coming of your 6 marks. And next topic is your probability of 8 marks. Probability of your 8 marks. In algebra, chapter number 1, 2 and 3. It means your first term is your 40 marks, only 40 marks. 40 marks का क्या है, आपका पेपर आएगा. फर्स्ट टर्म क्या है, 40 मार्क्स का ही होगा. अब देखिए अलजेब्रा जो है उसमें चैप्टर नंबर कौन से है. चैप्टर नंबर 1 है, 2 है और ये 3. ज्योमेट्री, इन ज्योमेट्री चैप्टर नंबर कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री एंड डॉट ट्रायंगल्स, चैप्टर नंबर 6 and 7. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री चैप्टर नंबर your 8 and mensuration chapter number 12 and your probability chapter number 15. Total 40 marks.
So probability is easy, so do 8.
8 marks. 8 marks. Yes students. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir. No.
ये आपके चैप्टर में लिख दिए हैं. यस यस.
Surface area volume.
Surface area and volume second terms. In second terms. Chapter number 12, area related to circle. That is chapter number 12 is coming in first term. In first term.